I know it stings a little bit. Just
No, it's a hell of a lot cheaper to replace that cabinet.
huh?
It's a hell of a lot cheaper to replace that cabinet, put an 18-inch cabinet right there, and it would make it look right.
It'd make it look a lot better. 18-inch and then drop it down. You can go either way.
What is that about? There's a 10-inch cabinet up there?
Probably 12-inch. 12-inch.
So we're only going to add 6 more inches,
18-inch would bring you down to here.
which would be good.
It'd be sweet. 28, maybe even a 30.
So that's going to cost us $200 on the cabinets.
You can probably get that cabinet for less than 200.
Yeah, by the time you put labor in it, you know, you're at 250, 300.
Yeah.
So is it better to pay $300? So split that between 600. That would buy the first refrigerator. Then you have $600 and you still got 2 refrigerators. Yeah.
I don't know what to do with the refrigeraters.
Well, it's the same size as the one in the apartment complex.
Okay. They don't go out very often.
No.
Are those? Yeah, those are all black.
What are the what size are the ones at the duplexes? Which those are all new too.
Yeah, they're bigger than that, but they're not. I don't think they're 36.
Will those take them back?
These are like 28.
Will those take them back?
I don't know. If you bought them on some fucked up sale or something, then probably not.
No, it wasn't on sale. I'll have Scott run that and see if they take them back. Maybe they'll take them back and we'll see what they do. If not, we'll just figure it out one way or the other. Any other problems we got?
You want to do this now on tape?